This is canishop.com website. It will individualize our shopping real-time experience, increase your online store sales by 15% on average by customizing the journey of your customers using product recommendations, personalized announcements, browser push notifications, emails, and SMSs. Use one dashboard to analyze user behavior, tailor consumer experience at every touch point. Super. Automating e-commerce automation. Canishop machine learning driven customization platform runs on proprietary algorithms that analyze every customer interaction through touch points. Taking advantage of this data with predictive statistical models, we create a comprehensive understanding of the need of the consumers and the probability of buying, thereby optimizing the life of cycle of consumer interaction in real time. Okay, why pick Canishop? It is messaging behavior, start delivering messages and offers based on their history and activities. Coupons based on score. It offers right visitor discount at the right time based on dynamic scoring. 10 plus algorithms on Rico use more than 10 plus recommendation models like similar items purchased together. Segmentation dynamics. Segment your customers in real time by RFM, generation, interest, probability of purchase, etc. Insights on e-commerce. Using our unified dashboard, we understand product sales and customer data. Engagement by omnichannel. It will control site, email, SMS, move seamless automation, use single access. Enabling flexible customization. If you are a retailer, distributor, product manager, or developer, Canishop is the forum to bring your dream of customers' experience to life. Here we are using e-commerce intelligence system. It is using our unified platform based on machine learning, develop our dynamic customer retention and repeat rate strategies. Potent APIs. It builds your infrastructure for customization with our flexible APIs to support your business needs. Fast optimization using a single dashboard, experiment, customize and optimize digital experience within a minute via web, email, SMS, push notification. Need expert advice. Now see channels. Channels in-store personalization. In-store personalization. It will personalize consumer experience of relevant products or offers at each step of their shopping journey. Super. Using our machine learning intelligence to start recommending the right time items to the right consumer at the right moment. Recommended. Leverage machine learning technologies to suggest products which are highly appropriate. Intelligent coupons. Recommend individualized coupons based upon score at the right time. Intelligent interference widgets. Using interactive interface widgets to render user experience highly personalized. Future to personalize in retail industry. Stitching CX in real time. They're engaging shoppers using hyper-personalized strategies to transform customer experience through tailoring the shopping experience, drive brand loyalty, better retention, brand recalls. Futures for personalizing the web. In-store personalization is a complete solution using our predictive technology to achieve real-time individualization. Customization banner. In-store personalization is a complete solution using our predictive technology to achieve real-time individualization. But banner personalization, it will customize the banners on home page or collection pages based on dynamically show interest to each consumer. Personalized offers, that is customers bids, customized deals based on dynamic audience collections or the interest shown in a product form for each guest. Display deals with various requirements. Dynamic notifications on the web. To increase the probability of purchase, use web notifications to trigger offers or products which may be consumer interest. New versus repeat visitors. For new or repeat visitor, customize with experience logically different. Precise targeted product based on attributes 20 plus. Vibrant pop-ups. It to increase conversion rates, use dynamic pop-ups to recommend right offers or products to right users at the right time. Analytics in SOAP. We allow data and provide monthly and weekly visibility, conversion and revenue and opportunity reporting. Next, personalized email. Personalized email on a scale. Canishape empowers digital retailers to offer creative, personalized emails resulting in sales growth for the short term and long term brand loyalty. Gain full sales to your customers with minimum amount of email communications. It will be a good benefit for Canishape using. Dynamic theme line. Make use of up to 3 topic lines to check what works. Custom return time. Uniquely personalized sending time for every email ID. Individualization of content. Products that are distinctly relevant to each user interest. Target and personalize. Customize right time customers. Test multiple subject line for performance improvement. Send time personalized at the moment they are most likely to open products. Upsell based on consumer curiosity and behavior. Using smart systems to cross sell goods based on any behavioral and transactional data. Add dynamically custom offers which qualify for each customer. Add dynamic title is every email content capturing custom interest. Challenging public book and triggers. Using the power of our machine learning based on e-commerce relevance engine, highly relevant products are recommended through internet-based dynamic segment users and other attributes of behavior and purchase. Emails of updated quarter, hello to our emails on remarketing, emails dependent on value based on RFM email, or some examples of campaigns on the fly that you can make. Marketing by email automation and direction. Canishape gathers consumer information on habits, preferences, transactions, and other critical events to fuel the innovative optimization strategies and suggestions for your email marketing messages. Examples of email personalization. Email personalization is a complete solution using our predictive technology to achieve engagement automation in real time. It has many examples. Updated quarter emails send updated code reminders to re-engage those shoppers who left behind items. Emails in-house warning consumers who have shown great in out of stock goods and the like. Emails from We Love You. Automate reacquisition programs for vulnerable consumers with order follow emails. Email based on interest. It schedules notifications of interest based emails for consumers who have already shopped. Emails founded on RFM. Send dynamic segmentations based emails promoting right offers to the right clients. Update to unopened. Decide on the pace of resending emails if the clients do not open and file. Next, SMS marketing. Personalized text messages via dynamic SMS. Caniship leverages dynamic SMS content based on behavior, active splitting, custom return, custom return time, message via dynamic SMS, custom return time, active splitting, personalized text messages on the fly down. Customize every SMS by adding the customer's name. Add the product name, category, or market of interest to make it hyper relevant. Caniship Engine produces shortener for every purpose with complete control on the landing page. SMS focused on events such as discarded cart, product view, and more to improve repeat rates. To event based promotions incorporate product names based on specific rationale, using product price tag for each customer to complete the message. Audit dynamic library and releases. It will using the power of our machine learning based e-commerce contextual engine. Highly relevant products are recommended by dynamically segment interest based users and other attributes of behaviors. Updated code SMS welcome SMS recorder SMS based on value founded on RFM. These are just a few examples of packages you might build on the fly. SMS marketing automation and recommendations. That is SMS trading automation and direction. Canisep collects customer information about behaviors, interests, purchases, and other important events to the fuel dynamic customization campaigns and recommendation for your SMS marketing campaigns. Every single customer receives highly important contact with advanced data science algorithms to meet retail requirements. This relevance is achieved in scale. Okay, why custom SMS? SMS personalization is a total solution that uses our predictive technologies to achieve real-time consumer and interaction. It has uses updated code SMSs. Send updated code reminders to re-engage those shoppers who have left items. On stock warnings, we miss you SMS based interest. SMS based interest schedule SMS alerts based on value for consumers who previously shopped. RFM based SMS it sending dynamic segmentation based SMS to promote right customer offers. Fresh technology startup for new product or category releases automate and targeted SMSs to Interested customers. Automate customize and notification. Next, web push notification. Automate and customize notification on web push. Canishabit empowers digital retailers to deliver dynamic, customized push notification, resulting in better engagement and greater sales. In no time, configure campaigns using our predefined templates designed specifically for e-commerce retail. It can use message with dynamic push, leverage dynamic push content based on behavior. Next one is custom return time. Uniquely customize and automate send time for each push. Active splitting. Compose internet based push triggers lots more. Target and personalize customers at right time in web push notifications. Message with dynamic push, custom return time. Canishub engine decides optimize the best performing message. No need to take ARB tests. Customize with the category of interest goods and subscriber name to make it more readable. New product launches only to those interested in this group, rendering in hyper target. Set up different businesses events at which you want to launch a notification drive. Audience dynamic collection and startups. It will using the power of our machine learning based e-commerce relevance engine. High relevant items are recommended through interest based dynamically segment users and other attributes of behavior and purchase. Notifications on event push, notification on price drop, notification in store, notifications depends upon interest, new updates to start. These are some examples of campaigns that you can build on the fly. Web push automation and suggestions. Canishabit can collect customer data on behaviors, interests, purchases, and other important events to fuel our email marketing messages with dynamic customization and recommendation campaigns. Every single customer achieves highly important results with advanced data science algorithms. To meet retail requirements, this relevance is achieved in scale. Custom push updates. Push notification personalization is a complete solution using our proactive technologies to achieve communication and conversion of the missed sales in real time. It has updated cart push. It send updated cart reminders to re-engage those shoppers who have left behind items. In stock warnings, we missing moving you. Interest based demands, driver based on RFM, current material begins. Next, product recommendation. Features, in-store product recommendation. Customize product suggestions at any level of customer service using our ML intelligent engine to start recommending the right items to the right user at the proper time. It's a command of merchandising control, monitor suggestion with an easy to use wizard featuring customizable targeting options that change in real time. Command high aid feed volume. With millions of products, Caniship completely ingest and manage large feeds to power recommendations. Templates on recommendation. Start using our ready to use mobile recommendation models that are designed to product faster outcomes. Boost sales of your product by making it relevant recommendation engine. Canishape uses machine learning and predictive algorithms to predict the most important items per client in real time. Our engine can cater to both flawless speed, unmatched precision, whether it is a new visitor or a return. Why product recommendation in in-store suggestions? Canisha, Canisha product suggestions for every phase and customer service. Using our machine learning intelligent engine to start recommending the right items to the right consumer at the right time. Models 10 plus ML app uploaded, mobile optimized. The widgets or embedded codes are mobile optimized to provide every user with smooth service experience without distracting from their shopping trip. Quick feeding time processing, it's a very amazing. Our lighting quick stack lets us almost immediately remove items out of stock from recommendation and new products to network. Flexible incorporation, our REST-based APIs are easy to integrate and work seamlessly with any technology or platforms. Few examples are Shopify and Magneto. Cataloging with NLP. Our strong NLP models play a crucial role in accurately defining and segmenting user behavior enters in the product. Committee and monitoring access advanced performance dashboard carefully designed to analyze key performance indicators for e-commerce businesses. Smart widgets, clever widgets, customize customer experience each shopper journey stage. Clever widgets start delivering tailor made communication through different web widgets and alerts. Several web widgets, several web widgets it will pick the custom items and messages from various widgets to view snack bars, sliders, pop-ups, etc. Server notification to build interest among the shoppers allow web notification to embed more than 5 personalization logics. Predefined templates. Start using our ready to use mobile friendly models which are designed to produce faster outcomes. An average rise of 30% in AOV. Canisha smart ML algorithm, machine learning algorithm uses predictive models and inventory of products to deliver the most important messages of products to each user. Such notifications or items are delivered with personalized widgets at the right time during the buying process to boost your sales. Oh my god, super. Okay, why how select widgets for the web? Canish cognitive learning and dynamic audience library of Canisher considers 20 plus attributes for delivering relevant products and messages in real time through web widgets. It's very amazing. 10 plus machine learning models leverage using various ML models to sell or cross sell products using various widgets. Mobile optimized, that is app updated. Our widgets are mobile optimized to give every user seamless experience, flexible reviews, functional incorporation. Now you can turn on or off our widgets with just one click of a button. It's very easy, you know. Behavioral comportamental widgets to activate a widget with a personalized message using the interest parameter. Committee and monitor analyze every app our comprehensive dashboard works with. So So many developments and technologies are used in the Scanish website. So we are using this one one time we can use the website. You can easy to operate every real time experience, every product in real time experience.